In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on security and privacy. Now scroll again, but this time tap on privacy controls. Click on permission manager and tap on any of those options you want to manage. For example, I want to manage my camera, so I have to click here and tap on one of my apps under one of those options. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Aliexpress from not allowed one. Click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. In my case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick this one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Aliexpress gained access to my device's camera while I'm using it. But you can always click on it, tap on See All Aliexpress Permission, and then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!